Today we're gonna fix a satellite dish. Well, try to fix a satellite dish, do some repairs. Let's see how that goes. Let's go. Sometimes it's fun to come across projects that were, shall we say, not finished or not done right or whatever. Well, such is the case behind me with this dish from previous ownership. The top part, the Cassegrain right there. The collar that holds the little mylar plastic cover, if you will, coming out of the Cassegrain, the aperture, is cracked. So it's been leaking some water in. So what we're gonna do today is pull that off, replace it, kind of make sure everything's dry, seal it up, and then transition service back over to it. Right now we're on a backup dish. So first, I need to get rid of the snow that's been accumulated down in front of it. Let's do that first. I have moved the uplink that was on here to another dish. So let's see what kind of bolts I need here. Let's see here. This makes me feel real nervous, I'll tell you that. I'm told I can just step onto it. Bigger. Oh, that's the right one. That's interesting. As I'm unscrewing this is not pressurized. As I'm unscrewing this, I hear shh. That's really weird. So the reason why I'm doing this is because the ring on this Cassegrain, this part right here, has a crack on it. Gosh, I just really don't like putting weight on this dish. Somebody may have been a little too aggressive with the way that they tightened this down. So I have one from a spare Cassegrain. Yeah, they knew this was broken. Oh yeah. I'll show you guys in a second, but here's the new one. Well, spare one. And here's the broken one. Oh gosh. The whole pattern is different. Okay. Plan B. Okay, here's the plan of action. I have it down here. This is just a plastic cover. And this is the crack. Just put some aluminum tape on there. I'm going to stick some Tommy tape on this side. Poke the screw through. And hope that's enough to seal it. Have a call in to a provider of fine electronics to see if we can get a replacement. They're going to get back to me on that. Hi, I'm going to take a moment here and recognize the sponsor of today's video, Linkup Communications. When your content has to get to your audience, you can count on their content distribution using XDS and other industry-leading platforms. Linkup has provided distribution solutions with the highest degree of reliability for over 3 decades. They bring old-school network experience to your products. Well, I guess I could say we, since I do work there. So we are having a contest. It's the Linkup Show Us Your XDS Receivers contest. You can enter for a chance to win each week, a chance to win bigger each month, and a chance to win huge at the end of the contest by scoring a grand prize worth $500. So, How do you enter? It's simple. Take a photo of the rack of XDS receivers at your radio station and send it to mark@linkupcommunications.com with your name, your title, your station call letters, and where you are located, and how many XDS receivers we'd find at your station. The contest begins Wednesday, February 21st, 2024 at 1 p.m. Eastern and runs through May 1st, 1 p.m. Eastern. Winners will be announced on Facebook and directly notified using the contact info you provided. Full rules and details are available at linkupcommunications.com/contest. And now, back to the video. All right. Let's get this part into the hole. Got too much junk in my pocket right now. And all the little washers fell off the screws here. Joy. Come on, find it. There we go. Next one. I'm gonna be very careful to not break this ring. I want to tighten it down enough so that it's sealed, but not so tight that it cracks. Just being super gentle here. Let's take some pictures for posterity. Alrighty. Now to get off here without falling off. Yay! Not my finest engineering moment, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get things working for the time being. So working to see if I can get a replacement collar for that Cassegrain up there. And yeah. So I basically just put some aluminum tape over it, some Tommy tape to kind of make a seal, tightened it down so not to crack it more, and let's see. Hopefully we can get that part soon and get that replaced permanently. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. Now I need to go flip the transmit back onto this dish and get us back up to normal operation. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.